lot of earnings that are expected, and even HUL is expected to report its numbers. But what is the street really penciling in? Let's go across to Snehi to find out all of that.
Well, it's a muted quarter is what we're expecting from HUL this time around. On a standalone year-on-year basis, revenue is expected to come in at 15,962 crores, which is an uptick of 4% on a year-on-year basis. But EBITDA and PAT are seen absolutely flat year-on-year. EBITDA seen at 3,618 crores, which is up just 0.3%. Net profit is seen at 2,583 crores, which is up 1.8% year-on-year. We're expecting to see some pressure on margins at 22.6% compared to 23.5% on a year-on-year basis. And if you take a look at the overall expectations in terms of the underlying volume growth, that is expected to be at 3% this time around, slightly better than what we've seen in the previous quarter. The value growth is expected to be lower than volume growth due to the price hikes that the company has taken, and margins are expected to be slightly under pressure on the back of the end cost, the raw material inflation cost that they've passed to the end user, and also a 10 bips hike in the royalty that they pay to their global parent Unilever. A low single-digit underlying pricing growth, anywhere between 0.5% to 1%, is what we're expecting to see. Some price growth in soaps and carry forward price increase in tea and coffee is expected largely this time around. Home care can expected to grow at 2.5% on a year-on-year basis. Beauty and personal care up 5%. Foods expected to grow roughly 3% with price hikes in tea and coffee. In terms of factors to watch out for when the numbers do come out, watch out for any growth outlook, margin guidance revision, if at all, because they had cut their guidance slightly in the previous quarter. So let's see if that is maintained or further reduced. Inflation and pricing outlook for soaps and tea, rural and urban demand scenario, and of course the impact of minimalist acquisition on the other income segment of the P&L. So these are going to be important to watch out for.